Hello and good morning children. So here we are today. So children, today we will be beginning with our English grammar. Okay, but then before beginning our class we will see as usual what's the date today. Okay, so today's date is 14th August 2021. Okay, and the day is Saturday. Okay, and the spelling of Saturday is Saturday. Alright. So children, since we had been studying English 1, okay, that is your English textbooks in so many days. So today we will begin with our English grammar, okay, and this is your English grammar book. Here you see, okay, this is your English grammar book, and today what we will be studying in English grammar is letters of the English alphabets. Okay, that is letters of the English alphabet. So children, before going through the lesson, we will just see what the letters are, okay, of the English alphabet and what these alphabets are. Okay, we will see what is letter is and what is alphabet is. Okay, so children, when I say letters, what do you understand by the word letters? Okay, so I'll tell you. If no, letters are, you know, A, B, C, D, E, okay, and this way up to Z. This single alphabets, okay, they are called the letters, okay, of the English alphabets. Now what is alphabet is? What is alphabet is? Alphabets are in the same way, okay, from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, okay, then K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. So I hope all of you knows, okay, this A, B, C, D from A to Z, right? So now this single letters, okay, this single, this all are called letters, okay, and letters of what? Of English alphabet. Okay, since you know that this all these letters are written in English, okay, this is not Hindi or any other language, okay, but this is English, this is written in English, okay. So this, okay, this set, complete set of 26 letters, this is English alphabet. All right, so now with this we will go through the lesson, okay, what's there in this chapter, letters of the English alphabet. So children, now you have come to know what is the letter is. Single A, then B, C, D, E, F, this way continue up to Z are the letters, okay, and of what? Of which language? Of English language, okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H up to Z, they are the letters of what? Of English alphabet. All right. So now we will see, children, in your book, here you see in your book it is written that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. So children, how many letters are, if I ask you how many letters are there in English alphabet, then there are 26, okay, there are 26 letters in English alphabet, okay, ENGLISH alphabet, ALPHABETS. So there are 26 letters in English alphabet. And what are they? We will write again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. So you look into the board, children. There are 26 alphabets in English language. Okay. So if I ask you how many alphabets are there, then you will say that there are 26 letters in English alphabets. Okay. Now we will count, okay, how many alphabets are there. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. So do you see, children, that there are 26 letters, okay, in English alphabet, okay, in English alphabet, not in Hindi, okay, but in English alphabet there are 26 letters. And now you know what are they? They are from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay. So now I hope it's clear that in English, okay, there are 26 letters. Okay, these are also called letters. Okay, so there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Okay, so children, you need to keep in your mind that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. And now you have come to know that what is a letter is. Letters are all this, okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G up to Z. These are letters, okay. And these are A, B, C, D, okay. These are the letters of which language? Of English language, okay. So these A, B, C, D, these letters are the letters of English alphabet, okay. So now next these letters, okay, now you see, children, I hope all of you know what is a capital letter and small letter is not it? While you were in KG or nursery, you have learned how to write capital letters A, B, C, D and small letter A, B, C, D, right? So we will just repeat the same thing again, okay. So this English alphabet, there are 26 letters in English alphabet, and these alphabets can be written in two form, okay. It can be written in how many form, children? It can be written in two form, all right. And those two forms are, the first one is small letter, okay, or the small form, all right, as MALL, small letters, and capital letters, LETTERS, all right. So these letters, it can be written in two ways, that is in capital letters and in small letters, okay. Now you look into your book, children, there in page number 1, okay, capital letters, okay, capital letters, it is written that are also called uppercase letter. So now you see, children, here capital letters, this is also called what? Uppercase letter, okay. UPPER, upper case letter, LETTERS, letters, okay. The capital letter is also called uppercase letters, and the small letter is letters are also called lowercase, LOWER, lower case letters, LETTERS, okay. So children, you should not get confused, okay, that English alphabets can be written in two form, okay. You look into the board, it can be written in two form, okay, that is in small letter you can write, and also you can write down in capital letters, okay, small letters and capital letters. But now this capital letter is also called what? Uppercase letters, okay, and the small letters are also called what? small case letters. Okay, so now we will see how the capital letters are written or the uppercase letters are written, and how the small letter or the lowercase letters are written. Okay, so children, we will begin with capital letters. Okay, CAPITAL, capital letters, LETTERS. We will begin with capital letters, or uppercase UPPER, upper case letters. Okay, LETTERS. Okay, so children, you do not get confused in while I say capital letter or the uppercase letters. Okay, you should not get confused, because this capital letters and the uppercase letters, this both are same. Okay, so we will see how the uppercase or the capital letters are written. Okay, so we will begin with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so children, this is how the capital letters or the uppercase letters are written. Okay, I hope all of you might know how to write the capital letters, okay, of English alphabet, isn't it? You know it, right? So this form of letters, when we write, that is in a capital form, that is called the capital letters. Okay, or the uppercase letters. Okay, capital letters or the uppercase letters. All right, so with this, now we will see, okay, how the small letters, okay, how the small letters or the lowercase letters are written. All right, so everybody look into the board. Now we will write small letters or the lowercase letter. Okay, LOWER, lowercase letters. So as I have told you children that the capital letters or the uppercase letters are same, similarly here also the small letters or the lowercase letters are same. Okay, so we will see how do we write the small letters or the lowercase letters. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so children, this is how the small letters or the lowercase letters are written. Okay, and we also call small letters as lowercase letters. Alright, so children, now we will try to sum up everything again. Okay, so from the beginning we will just sum up. So children, how many letters are there? That means all total how many letters are there in English alphabet? There are 26 letters. Okay, LETTERS, letters. Alright, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Okay, and this English alphabet can be written in how many forms? It can be written in 2 forms. Okay, and what are they? What are the 2 forms in which the English alphabet can be written? It can be written in small letter SMALL, LETTERS, small letters, and small letters can also be called what? It can also be called as lower case letters. Okay, letters. So children, you do not get confused. Small letters are also called what? As lowercase letters. And the another form in which also the English language can be written is the capital letters. Okay, capital capital letters letters. And these capital letters can also be called what? It can also be called as uppercase uppercase letters. Okay, it can also be called as the uppercase letters. Alright children, so I hope up to here it is clear, right? So there are 26 letters follow an order known as alphabetical orders. Okay, now we will see children that what is an alphabetical order. Okay, alphabet means you have come to know, right? And now we will see what is an alphabetical order. ALPHABETICAL orders. ORDERS. What is an alphabetical orders? So when I say alphabetical orders, alphabet means you know it, right? Now what is the meaning of this orders here? So children, order means in a proper sequence. Okay, in a proper sequence, all right, which is adjust in a proper line, which is very properly adjusted, or which is very properly managed. Okay, for example, alphabet means so alphabets, what are the alphabets? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and that way. Okay, so order means in a sequence. Okay, in a proper sequence means line by line. Okay, it's not that one is here at the very beginning, B comes and then E, then F, then in between suddenly S appeared, not like that. Okay, the thing is that order means in a proper sequence. All right, in a proper sequence, in a proper line. All right, just like this ABCD is arranged. Okay, it is so properly arranged that after A, B will always be coming in between. Okay, it's not like that B is in the beginning, then D comes, then H, G, not that. Okay, so as these alphabets, okay, as these English alphabets are arranged sequentially, okay, in a proper line, that is called an order. Okay, so we will just see the definition of alphabetical order is that these 26 letters follow 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 an order is known as alphabetical order. All right, ORDER. So these 26 letters, now these means what? This means the 26 letters of the English language. Okay, this means the 26 letters of the English language. Okay, these 26 letters follow an order. Okay, so one after another, just as I had written in the board, right? Just one after another, as the letter follows each other. Okay, that after A always B will be coming, and after B always C will be coming, and after C just like that D, then E, F. All right, it's not that after A C will come in between, then after C F will come. No, not that. Okay, just the English alphabet, it follows a sequence, it follows a proper order. Okay, and that order is called as alphabetical order, because here the alphabets, that is from A, B, C, D, they are following a proper order one after another. Okay, that is known as alphabetical order. All right, so children, I hope up to here it's clear, right? So we will see page number 2 now. Alright, so in page number 2 it is given that match the capital letters as their small letters. One has been done for you. So all of you look into your book, children, if you have your book here. Here the capital letters are given and here the small letters are given. So you have to match it. Okay, that means you have to identify which is the small letters of all these uppercase letters. Alright, of these uppercase letters, and you do not get confused between uppercase and lowercase. Okay, so here the lowercase letters are written and here is the uppercase letters. So you have to match it. Okay, so here it is written in a capital form: A, then F, D, G, then F, A, okay, then G, R, Y, and here it is D, Y and R. So you have to identify the lowercase of all these capital letters. Okay, so A, this is the small letter, and for D, this is the lowercase. Here is the F, then comes G, then R, then Y. Okay, so children, I have drawn this just for your better understanding. Okay, although I will be giving all these exercises, okay, in the form of PDF, you will have to do it there, but now just try to understand the things. Okay, so children, we will stop here. Okay, we will not proceed further very fast. So up to here, whatever I have taught you, you just keep it in your mind and read it thoroughly. Okay, in page number 1 you have to read it thoroughly and you have to just try to link or relate, okay, whatever is there in your memory that I have taught you, and try to make everything clear. Okay, you should not be left in confusion, or if there is any confusion or something, you can just call me or text me, do whatever, but everything should be clear to you. Okay, so children, till then just keep studying. Okay, and we will proceed further in our next class. We will be continuing with this lesson itself, but for today we just stop here. Okay, thank you children.